Hey guys, we just woke up at 5:45 and we are hitting the road to Disney. We're headed to Animal Kingdom, so we hope you join us. And
then magic.
And then
And I'm gonna go on Splash Mountain.
yeah! And if you haven't, guys, please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. We really appreciate it, and we love to have fun with you. And please give us any Disney tips that you have. We love to hear them. All right, and talk to you soon. Let's go have an awesome day.
Yeah!
Man, that was fast. Like it, Ryder?
Yeah, let's go on it again. It's a short line. Let's do it.
We can.
That was so fun. Let's do it again. I want to go to the front. At the beginning of the ride, Ryder went, "Will you hold my hand?"
Oh, good sister, good brother. Yeah, so good ride.
I was like, oh,
Pretty jerky, but great.
I was like, oh, this is not that bad. And then I saw the hill where we were gonna go up.
Yeah.
That was a good ride. Let's go on it again.
You're going on it again.
Yeah. Bye.
Yep, we liked it so much, we're going for round 2. And I had to hit round 2 of the Dramamine.
Now I'm going with Ellie. The first time I go with Charlie, and then I
Yeah, man. So getting a little break, I've had 2 Dramamines today. So I had to get the coffee, but it worked out for everyone. So we got some popcorn.
I love Frappuccino.
Got something for Amanda. What'd you get, Ryder?
A Frappuccino.
Frappuccino.
I want that you can have.
One that you can have, so you got the soy milk in there. No cow's milk. And what'd you get, Ellie?
Frappuccino caramel.
What about you, young lady?
I got some water.
Agua, H2O.
The water is divine.
Divine agua from the Starbucks. Some popcorn. So life is good. Get some caffeine, get some energy, and then we're back at it. We've been here 5 minutes, and it's our second parade. That's a heck of a welcome to the Magic Kingdom. All right, so we've made it over from Animal Kingdom, 2 parades already. It's lovely, feels magical, dare I say. Life is good. Hey Ryder, so this was your favorite ride at Disneyland in California.
Yeah.
How do you think this one's gonna be?
Good.
Anything else to say?
No.
Yeah, we rode this a lot in California, and it was hardly busy in January. Now, woo-woo, spring break, 35% capacity, still busy.
And super hot, all this heat.
So hot, so hot. Our favorite time to go to Disney is the fall.
Yeah, the Disney Hallow Screen, that was a blast.
Yeah.
We want to do that again.
We put that ice cream after the ride. It's right there.
Sounds like a good day to me. So it's been nice to watch the kids. They got to ride Peter Pan together, all 3 of them. And then Ryder's really wanting to ride with Charlie on Big Thunder Mountain. So it's just cute watching them bond, and Mom and I get a little mommy and daddy time.
Ellie and I are going on to Big Thunder Mountain. Chugga, chugga, chugga. We gotta get our stuff in, which apparently we're having issues. Ellie's got it, maybe.
Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga sus manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren. Cuide a sus pequeñitos. Muchas gracias.
Ryder,
Charlie.
Howdy, partners. For years,
One of our first videos was Big Thunder Mountain.
Chugga-lugga, chugga-lugga, lugga-lugga, choo-choo. That's what Amanda did on the first video. Yeah, right. Put your hands up, boy. Here we are, Big Thunder Railroad. We're going to the top. You come along.
Apparently he's Australian now. I don't know what happens when they fry.
Please no screaming coronavirus.
Hey, where's the part where we go to the mine?
It's a little bit different. They didn't have all the electrical and the gas. That was a lot of fun. This is a great ride always.
We might not be done. I think we're done. There was no blowing up on this one. Ellie was disappointed, but it was super fun.
So apparently the other kids are disappointed. What do you think, Ryder?
No fun, so I don't like it.
There was no what?
It's not fun. It's not as good as California.
What?
There's no camera. I expected there to be a camera, so I did bunny ears on it.
So no camera. What? Why didn't you like it again?
Because there's no those bombs.
No bombs? You like the explosions.
Ellie wanted the explosion too.
All right.
She kept thinking it was coming. There was no explosion, but that ride still rules. It's super fun to go on.
I thought it was great. I loved it. Leave the kids at home. Go with your honey.
Hashtag travel with kids. He's the one who's motion sick though, so everything seems more to him.
Oh. That's Charlie. She got jokes. She also got timeout for the next 25 years. Hashtag travel with kids.
So we are at Cinderella's castle, and it was woo! And my favorite time to see it is at night. It is so
pretty.
so pretty.
Yeah.
And they just painted it for like the 50th anniversary. So it's like a blue and pink color, which I'm not a huge fan of during the day, but at night it looks stunning. It's absolutely gorgeous. So, woo! All right, now we gotta go because we gotta hit at least one more ride.
Snow White. Snow White.
Let's go.
Well, happy Disney, everybody. Thanks for coming along. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. We enjoyed and loved our day, and remember,
Life is now. Live your adventure.
The Avatar movie, not a movie, it was a ride that I liked.
you liked it?
Yeah,
What was your favorite part of it?
when you go down.
Oh, that's fun.